This is the Baltimore, Ohio Railroad Strauss Bascule Bridge. Crosses the Calumet River, located in South Chicago, Illinois. You can see it's raised. Yeah, the bridge is lowered for train traffic. And I'm going to show you when the bridge was destroyed and conway was left. You see, you got the dry machinery on the Bascule span and the operator strut fixed to the conway bridge tower. Then you got the pinion carrier right on the hip of the Bascule span, and then you got the framework and the link and everything. So you see, bridge is lowered for train traffic. This is when the bridge was in use. You see the links and everything. Bridge is raising. Full raised positions. You see, this is when the Blues Brothers had took a picture near there, in 1980. Of course, the Blues Brothers wasn't that right. So, and then what happened 8 years later, I'm gonna show you. It's raised. Raised. More. Now it was a ship behind this bridge, tore this spin off its supports, and left a kind of way because it was a quote by the Blues Brothers: "You are never gonna get caught. We on a mission from God." And so, and I'm showing you the result of it. See, this the end result of that. Yeah. The framework and the counterweight is left. When the when the boat had, when the ship had hit it. There you go. Now I'm gonna show you the design plan um, um, of the B&O Calumet River Strauss Hill Train Bascule Bridge. Now you see the design plan of the uh, Baltimore, Ohio Calumet River Railroad Strauss Hill Train Bascule Bridge. You see into the dotted lines where the bridge is raised. Look at this. And then on the plan in lower position, look at this right here. Yeah, built between 1912 and 1914. Now this bridge crosses the Calumet River, located in South Chicago, Illinois.